Why drown lights in resin to make a super fun epoxy and wood nightlight? First step, grabbing a few dozen pieces of wood like this and gluing them together. We use a clamp to hold them together and then go ahead and make a few more. We sand it down so that the surface is nice and even. We make some glue swirlies, spread them out, stick them all together, and clamp all these pieces together. Nope, not deja vu. We need to make one more the same way. Looks like this one has dried. Both of them look good. Let's move on. Next, we cut it so that the edges are even. We sand all the freshly cut edges until they are nice and smooth. We make a small cavity next and drill a small hole on this side to create a tunnel from one end to the other. Then we prep a little resin and apply a coat on this side. We're about halfway done. Cannot wait to see this night lamp complete. Now, let's put the light in nightlight. These fairy lights are pretty cool. We cut the power wire and pass the wire through the hole we made earlier. We set it in place with some hot glue. Let's go ahead and arrange everything in place. Now, we'll create a mold. For that, we're using this random sheet of plastic from around the house and sealing all the edges with hot glue. Next, we start prepping our resin. Let's add some blue color to make things a little more interesting. Now, let's pour it in. Hope the lights don't feel like they're drowning. Looks like an underwater wire city. Once it is dried, we release it from our mold. Let's sand the edges down so that everything is as smooth as a puppy. With a high grit sandpaper, we sand it by hand next. We increase the grit to make it smoother. Then, with automotive polish and buffing pad, we add some shine to this beauty. This looks absolutely fab. Now, let's remove the button from its case. We need to make some space for all this hardware. A few holes here and a slot there, a little dismantling too. Whew! Let's go ahead and fix everything in place with some adhesive. We solder the circuit back in place and seal everything with some insulated tape. Now, that goes into its place with some glue. Let's seal the box and let it dry. Next, we use this Danish oil to add some extra shine to this gorgeous piece of art. We rub it in really nice. And there you have it! One gorgeous, gorgeous night lamp made with resin and wood. Wow, this is so enchanting. Wait, hold on, lights off. Now this is pretty cool. Guys, if you loved watching this video, then go follow us right now.